Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from TD Bank to Wells Fargo in 2025. With banking tech evolving rapidly, this process has gotten even smoother and more secure. Whether you're splitting bills, sending money to a friend, or managing multiple accounts, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently and quickly. First off, make sure you have access to both your TD Bank and Wells Fargo accounts. By 2025, most banks have upgraded their apps with enhanced security features like biometric login and instant verification, so update your apps if you haven't already. Step 1. Open the TD Bank mobile app or log in to their website. Head over to the Transfers or Move Money section. It's usually front and center for easy access. Step 2. Look for the option to add an external account. This might be labeled as External Transfer or Add Recipient. You'll need to enter your Wells Fargo account details, like the account number and routing number. Pro tip: double-check these details to avoid any delays or errors. Step 3. Once the Wells Fargo account is linked and verified, which often involves a small test deposit or a security code, select the amount you want to transfer. You can even schedule it for a future date if needed. Step 4. Review the transfer summary. Pay attention to any potential fees. In 2025, many banks offer low-cost or free transfers, especially for linked accounts, but it's always good to confirm upfront. Step 5. Hit confirm and authorize the transfer using your preferred security method, like a fingerprint, Face ID, or a one-time PIN. The transfer typically processes in 1 to 3 business days, but with new real-time payment systems like FedNow, it could be almost instant. If you run into any hiccups, don't worry. Most banks have 24/7 chat support now. Finally, once it's done, log into your Wells Fargo account to verify the funds have arrived. That's it. Transferring money between banks doesn't have to be a hassle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.